ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯀꯥꯡꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯣꯇꯥ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯇ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 9 ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ 11 ꯕꯥꯏꯑꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ. Hello students. Mamang class ta koina simple permanent tissue hokre ko adu keduba makhal ahum damkre koina parenchyma haibama sclerenchyma haibama ga collenchyma haibama ga ahum tamkre ko adu haiba ahum da moidi kaina supportive oba tissue ne ba plant amagi ko huji koin tawdoisina protective oba ko pambi amada protection piba ngamba adu makhal gi tissue da amnaina sika first ta yengsi epidermis kadar epidermis tia epidermis kai da fangi ko akoina epidermis harisin mapan thangba ko aduna they are found here at the outermost layer of the plant body neba pambi amagi mapan thang saruk ta phangma mayam du neba aduna kai phangba yare haiba yare leaves to ogira plants flowers to ogira stems to ogira and even roots to dum phangani epidermis ko aduga mois epidermis kanan cover to hai tadi they are covered outside by the cuticle harakani ba ko kedaba epidermis to ngasagi xerophyte haiba pambi ko xerophyte haiba plant sing kai da phangba in dry habitats phangba sing da epidermis is very thick oiba ko aseng bedi epidermis is in one layer of a single layer of a nas haba ngatani ko single layer na adubu xerophytes ta ko xerophytes phangba epidermis sing de kedoba they have multi layer ko epidermis multi layer ori ko maram kai gina because the cute sagi hariba kino say epidermis the mapan ya cuticles na kamay tawni they cuts the rate of transpiration they need to cut the rate of transpiration have the kind of loss of water do bane adubu xerophyte from the dry habitats like sing the they need to preserve water aduna hariba transpiration ogera evaporation of water ogera hariba do ngasagi epidermis phangba cuticle na prevent taweba aduna kadarani kay mateng pangani they helps to plant to overcome the wilting ogera kanghande haba ko aduga hariba epidermis to akoina roots singdi ko mara pambi gi mara singdi kadogi habda akoina epidermis haina kaudre makoi epiblema haina su kaure ko epiblema se kaino haitadi it is the outermost layer of the roots na harakani ba ko aduda ka yawba it bears the long root hairs yawi ko makoi da unicellular oiba aduna root hairs ki purpose kaino haitadi it increase the area of absorption kai no absorb to se water buni ko from where from soil ko kamay habi root hairs ki function se it helps in increase the surface area for absorption of water from the soil neba then epidermis se yengsi ko leaves ta manada pambi amge manada epidermis se asai mapan thang basau to loi lei hai kre adubu leaves di ma se continuous oideba ko marakta pores le duneba ko leaves ta that pores kai kawi koina minute pores myam do stomata haina khangna ki ko tum ping ai class ti tamdon la stomata haiba wa haise natra adu stomata do hujik ke doba moi amu yeng si ko hariba stomata do each stoma koina stomata do ko singular haita stoma haidana ko so each stoma se is kadoba guarded koi sale bakanana by a pair of bean shaped guard cells ko guard cells haiba sagi bean shape of structure amana masai stomata da surround tawe koi sale ko hariba guard cells da ka yawba chloroplast yawi ko the stomata du gi function di kaino stomata ni torise mana ngasagi gases men exchange ta holeba ko pambi duna carbon dioxide lopsan ba oxygen pithopa to bodo it's through this minute pore called stomata ko yare ko then not only this gas exchange it also helps in the transpiration habdi kaino excess oba pambi du excess oba water do ngasagi stomata gi through the release to do neba ko so that's about the stomata gi maram happen na ko the stomata do kidoba daytime di moido open oi ko open oi habidi kaino makhaidia masagi guard cells na yam tarjit oi matamda solan oi matamda ko kadoba moido smile tarjit smile lemba guard cells smile tarjit oraga linkhala matamdi horei ko the horaga si matamda opening of stomata to matamda ngasagi in daytime to si pot se ko during this opening of stomata takes place during the daytime habi ko aduga amu night time di hariba stomata do amu close tor kani ba kamana close tor hai ta di kaina masai guard cells to shrunken tor pa flaccid or pa pakthar pa hai guard cells swile ram amu magi smaina flaccid or matab di am close tor kani ba and this closing of stomata takes place at the night ne ba ko mathang da yengsi epidermis hapet yeng khre ko mathang da kok amu yengsi kok habisi kaina koks are the dead cells that are compactly arranged without intercellular spaces niba ko akona gudi plants in the phangba yamba adugum khalgi dead cells to ko 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 ado kok se kedo ba older oiba ko in older stem ogera roots da hariba tissue se hariba tissue habidi kaino older cell older roots da entre stem da kedo ba ngasagi periphery da leiba tissue do habidi koina epidermis hakidana ko ado do kok cells ola eba ko khar mature or batung ina then ngasagi kok sida magi cell wall sida kari waxy oba substance ko suberin ko ba ma deposit or yawi ko kok to da hariba kok cells to ado kedo ba moise suberin deposit to ki ko aduna maram oiraga ngasagi kok cells da kedo ba water oigera gases oigera moi changhan mangamde they are impermeable to water and gases kamang taroga due to the deposition of kai haki music suberin haki ko sida protective tissue lore ko habidi epidermis and kok ko habidi simple permanent tissue complete ore sim matang sida ko next ko yama hausi ko ngasagi permanent tissue gi makhalama kaina complex permanent tissue complex permanent tissue sai simple dir ke hagi ba simple dir ko na similar over structure ko adigi function mana ba aduna saba makhal gi tissue ne hagi simple permanent tissue do ko huji tam doris na kaina complex permanent tissue dir ke do ba they are tissues karamba tissues made up of different types of cells ko cells in da makhal am da mana deba mana da ko do ba they perform a common function di mana ba yare ko adugo makhal gi tissue do ba koina complex permanent tissue haina khangna rani ba ko moi ka yawre they constitute the vascular bundles kai nang sai conducting vessels myam do ko haidi moi purpose am transportation odune ko si ta ko tam do se transportation of food ko adagi nutrients myam do ko then even minerals then water ko hari hum se transportation to do ne ba adu hari myam do huziki vascular bundles is the conducting vessels myam to do ne ba ko adu huziki complex permanent tissue se amagi types se ani thon lei yengsi ko ahambada xylem hai ko khange ko si swa dum hana dum tanamani xylem ko xylem se kedo ba xylem consists of 4 elements ke no vessels haiba maga tracheids haiba maga xylem parenchyma haiba maga xylem fibers haiba maga mari yawe ko xylem sida do kedo ba mamangi ko khoina huji vessels ka tracheids ka ko xylem fibers ka di they are ke hani dead cells ne ba huziki hariba mari dugi ahum habi kekino vessels tracheids and xylem fibers are dead cells what the protoplasm yaude ko they lack protoplasm habi yare ko masi duga mari suba xylem parenchyma ko is the only living cell ne huziki xylem se yarista ko magi function se overall oina xylem gi function se yengsi ko mana kai de mateng pangi hai ta di pambi sida it helps in the what transportation of water and minerals right da in the plant body adu buka doba only in one direction ne ba ko masagi water se transport to ba ha ba se obviously plant body amna water kai digi phange soil digi phangra soil di makha da lei ko aduna masagi transportation of water se it's unidirectional habadi mathat makha dagi na upwards to ne ba ko from root towards the upper part of the plant ne ba ko xylem gi function se then magi huji types khara yeng magi elements mari yeng ki ko do amuk yeng se huji ki hariba elements sing do vessels habanga tracheids habanga yauki magi function di kashim magi function di huji ki transportation of water duni from roots to the upper part to ko hariba vessels and tracheids tawri se aduga xylem parenchyma di ko parenchyma oramne obviously is going to magi function di storage neba aduna it's going to store food xylem parenchyma se not only storage of food what happened xylem parenchyma ne ko anga sagi pambi ising do sai kedoba vessels and tracheids na matut phokidina phokki ko aduga husiki hariba xylem parenchyma na sideways da pambi amagi isingi side ta magi branches meam the leaves meam da transportation to basina kana no xylem parenchyma na neba okay last ki xylem fibers di yengse xylem fibers ke kedoba fibers haram obviously is a dead cell natra aduna kedoba dead cells or I am a dead cells is a mechanical strength people meba ko aduna here same thing xylem fibers gives the mechanical strength to the plant neba ko so that's about the xylem next thing is complex permanent tissue gi ani subado phloem haibado ko kadore phloem su xylem the okiba the mina it also consists of companion cells there ko seed tubes phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma hariba maris ni ko the hariba maris is the companion cells ka seed tubes ka phloem parenchyma these three are living cells and the fourth one that is the phloem fibers is the dead cell nib. Okay, then magi phloem gi function si yeng se magi function se kai no overall na khona habi yabda magi function se is the transportation of food neba karamba food no photosynthetically plant duna prepare to food to neba ko aduna kadarani my function se transportation of photosynthetically prepared food to all the parts of the body neba ko adu bo kaidoba masagi xylem dadi magi unidirectional ogi makhadagi matatang chakhi ko adubu sigi phloem sidi kaidoba magi transportation se in both the direction habadi upper part chalani lower part chalani magi transportation se because kagina maramdi photosynthesis to is the no manadani leaves tani natra aduna masagi side of photosynthesis or leaves tagina synthesize to food materials sing do mathak ta chakrani mathak ki body parts me am ju plant body gi makharo chalani ko aduna ma se magi transportation se in both the direction har ine ba ko then amuk su yeng se phloem gi su chama ko jalam gi dumaina magi huji four elements like ko maming na kay ba seed tubes ko companion cells phloem fibers phloem parent kai ma haiki ko huji yeng se ko mai function do amam to oina seed tubes na kay ba seed tubes si magi wall se cell ni obviously ko magi wall yam ni magi wall se perforated web they have many pores hoba yawe ko aduna masagi transportation of food to se mainly by the seed tubes ni haibe yai okay then next key companion cells yeng se as the name indicates companion ko company pidoni kanada seed tubes da ko aduna kadoba companion cells kakado mana kadorni they carry out all the cellular functions of the seed tubes ne seed tubes ki mateng pangi ba mana seed tubes ki ne cellular functions me amse mana loina pang to eba manam kari gino habada ne seed tubes ti magi the nucleus yawzade ko and even they have the organelles to complete oi deba ko aduna magi cellular function me amse seed tubes ki companion cells na mateng pang do ne ba okay ahum subadi yeng se phloem fibers samani fibers obviously is going to provide the strength that's uramina strength period ko kanada pambida ko then last ke phloem parent kai masu ko parent kai maharis ni storage of food odini ko so it's obviously is going to help in the storage of food ne ko store to ni food to so here comes the end of today's class let's meet in next class